Paulo, despite all the recent monetary and fiscal stimulus, Brazil continues to disappoint in terms of economic growth and is forecast to grow less than 2% this year. What is wrong with the Brazilian economic model?
Well, I think there are really two ways to deal with that question. I mean, one is what is wrong with the current macro setup, and the other one is what is wrong more structurally, going back a few years to the Brazilian growth history. On the conjunctural side, on the short end, I mean, there are some growing macro imbalances. I mean, inflation is consistently above the target. The fiscal accounts are no longer producing the kind of primary surplus that will stabilize the debt-to-GDP ratio, which is a key indicator for investors. The economy, as you noted, is growing very poorly, and the current account and particularly the trade deficit the trade surplus that used to be such a major positive factor for the Brazilian economy has practically dwindled to zero, with a current account deficit nearing $80 billion. So there are a number of short-term adjustments that need to be made, and all of that focuses on the fiscal accounts. And because they focus on the fiscal accounts, there's very little expectation that anything will be done until the elections.